Hi, my name is Joani Pemberton with Simply Vegas, and I'm going to take you on a tour of this Plan 3 model, and we're in Kings Canyon, which is in the Redpoint village in Summerlin. And this particular tri-point model features 3,014 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, and it has a 2-car garage with storage. So we're starting out here in this lovely courtyard. It's a little noisy out in the front yard, but I'm going to take you out there at some point. So let's take a look around. So I am going through the front door of the courtyard, and so I'm going to show you around to the front of the house. And so this is a development that's still being developed. So there's a lot of building going on. Here's the front perspective. As I said, this is a 3-car tandem garage at the front of the house. The bedrooms are mostly all upstairs, 4 upstairs, and there's 1 guest bedroom downstairs. On the left, going into the backyard, there you can't, but on the right there's a gate that enables you to go into the backyard. And this house is fairly modern looking, actually. I think it's pretty. We have a pavered driveway. This beautiful tan color stacked stone. I just love that. And again, the walkway is also pavered. Nice touch. So I'm going to go back into the door I just came out of. It's a nice decorative door. Again, we're in this courtyard. So this covered patio right in the entry is approximately 13 by 12. Again, there's a front door that's going to take us inside the house. And then over here, we have another uncovered side house courtyard that is approximately 18 by 14. Again, right there is the gate that's going to take us to the front yard. That's the back door entry. We have this really cute little waterfall here with a pergola, and it goes into this river rock. And I'm going to show you the backyard. Of course, this is a model home. It doesn't come like this. So this particular model has a lot of artificial turf. They decorated this backyard to be like a child's playground, so to speak. And I think this is probably a climbing wall. Another pergola that goes over the outdoor kitchen and dining area. Pretty quartz countertop. This is interesting. This is like a pizza oven, looks like. Interesting. And it also has a barbecue. Stainless steel. Pretty nice. The quartz countertop is beautiful. And there's the pergola again for sun protection. Here's the back of the house, and again we have the artificial turf. Nice size backyard, pool size if you want one. And we have another covered patio that takes you into the great room. That last covered patio is approximately 15 by 10. And I'm going to take you inside the house. A lot of little seating areas in this model. So this front door is just like that door. When we first walk into the foyer, the ceilings here, I'm going to guess, are approximately 24 feet. This tile is so pretty. It's taupe color. It's about 40 inches by 8 inches. It's so pretty. Again, there's the uncovered courtyard outside of the foyer. We have a beautiful staircase, which has wood and steel railing. It's all open. And I think I'm going to start here in the garage. This is a 2-car garage, and they're kind of using it as a design center. This 2-car garage also has a little storage area, so it's not a true 3-car, but it's close. And these houses come with a nice water heater, tankless water heater, and a nice water softening system. So that's a plus. They have recessed lighting in the garage. I don't know if that goes for all garages in this model or just this one. It also has epoxy floor. This one does. So now we're going to go into the main living area. Oh, that's kind of cute, a little seating area under the stairway. So walking into this great room, the great room is approximately 19 by 19. Has a lot of light, recessed lighting, 3-panel sliding glass door. And we were just out there in that backyard. And then it opens up into the kitchen and the dining area too. It's fully tiled, just like the entryway. So this dining room is approximately 13 by 14. I'm going to call it a dining area, kind of an eat-in kitchen, if you will. Lots of nice windows. And then over here is a kitchen, which has a nice island. It's a waterfall style island made out of quartz. It's approximately, I would say, 5 by 10. Has this nice color light wood. Double sinks. And a dishwasher in the island. I think this easily is going to sit about 4 chairs. Let's see. Yeah. The pendant lighting is really pretty graceful. And then there's no refrigerator in this home yet, but there's lots of nice cabinetry. It doesn't quite hit the ceiling, nearly hits the ceiling. We have Bosch, an oven and a microwave convection oven. And we have a walk-in pantry. This house has 2 ovens. We'll get to that in a minute. So the backsplash is kind of this gray tile. I don't know how big they are. I want to say 2 by 4. Interesting. Pretty. Kind of different color gray. Nice modern looking hood. And there's the other oven. Underneath the cooktop, which is a 5-burner gas cooktop. The pendant lighting is just really charming. So over here we have a half bath and a ensuite bedroom. So to my left is a half bath. The same tile. It has interesting looking wallpaper. Interesting sink. Moving along to the very back of the house, to the left is going to be a 3/4 bath, and to the right is going to be the bedroom. We'll start here. So it has a nice shower. Interesting tile. Perfect guest bath and guest room. Again, we're in the back of the house, so it's totally separated from the other bedrooms. It has this interesting, again, there's the great room. It has this interesting paneling on the walls. It has a wall closet. Again, we're in the back of the house. Nice and private. I love this. See, that paneling is interesting, as is the light. So I think we're going to go upstairs next. So this staircase is really pretty charming. It has these, it's wood and chrome railing and wood staircase itself, kind of an open staircase. And at the very top of the stairs, we walk into this loft. Most of upstairs is carpeted except the wet areas. This loft is approximately 14 by 19. It's nice and open, and it has its own balcony, which is really pretty nice. It's not covered, however. Nice lighting. We're at the front of the house. And we're moving on to bedroom number 2. Again, this is all open, which is really nice. It makes everything feel so much better when it's open. Okay, this bedroom number 2 is approximately 11 by 11. Again, we're at the front of the house. And this has a wall closet. This bedroom, to the left is a bathroom, which accommodates the bedroom we were just in. And this bathroom is shared with the next bedroom we're going to go in, bedroom number 3. So we have one sink here. And this would also be used for everybody out on the loft. This door closes, and then we have the water facility and the bathtub. And we go through another door. And so this sink here accommodates bedroom number 3 that we're going to go into next. This bedroom is approximately 11 by 11 as well. There's a really charming little color scheme going. It has a walk-in closet, a wall closet. Shot of it. So our next room that we're going to go into is going to be the laundry room. Oh, you know what? I think I'll take you. There's a laundry room right there, but I think we will go to the master first, and then we'll come back through the laundry room. So here is a linen closet on the way to the primary bedroom. This primary bedroom is approximately 15 by 19. Feels pretty roomy. Back of the house. It has its own covered balcony. Also has a nice little 72-inch fireplace. Nice lighting. Covered balcony is approximately 15 by 10, just to give you an idea. All of this is open, so what looks like might be windows, it's all just open. But it's really nice. I mean, it'll stay shady in there, that's for sure. So next, we're going to the primary bath. This has tile that is approximately 20 by 20 porcelain tile. There's a water closet. This is beautiful soaking tub. It has these interesting tiles. That green tile makes a strip into the shower. that has two different color tiles, kind of green and I'm going to say gray blue. It does have a frame, the shower door I mean. And that nice green tile makes the backsplash next to the dual sinks that are separated, or I should say dual vanities that again have quartz countertops. Pretty combination. These are very nice. Okay, now we have the walk-in closet in between the two vanities. Nice size. And next we peeked on the other side of the laundry room. So this laundry room is really handy to have here. Little folding area. Two GE accessories, washer and dryer. Very nice. Now we're going to go back downstairs. Give a quick scan. This model is actually quite charming. Okay. Love this house. So this concludes our tour of this Plan 3 model. Again, we're at the Kings Canyon development in Summerlin. And again, this is a tri-point development. Again, this home is 3,014 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, a 2-car garage with storage, and the approximate base price of this home is $800,000. So if you're interested in this home or any of the homes in my video tours, you can feel free to contact me with my information below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of any upcoming videos. Thank you.